Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am here in honor of Anna from the Grace Life DIY channel and Penny from Penny's Lifestyle Living. They are celebrating their birthdays in the month of July. In order to participate in the collaboration, you could stay within your own niche and create something in white with a pop of color, or you can complete a tablescape or a cozy corner or nook with a decorative item in white with a pop of color. Please refer to hashtag A White Affair Birthday 22 for all the participants. I will be using a 42-inch round glass patio table. I will need a decorative table covering. I will also need a liner for my table covering. I will be using a crystal water pitcher, some large water or iced tea glasses, white napkins and embellished napkin rings, some almost vintage silverware because it's been in my family since I was about 16. A set of silver chargers. And remember guys, don't forget to use that hashtag in my description box to see what the others used in their videos. And lastly, dinner plates and salad plates. So let's begin. I have a piece of broadcloth here. It measures 1 yard and 1/4. This piece of fabric is from the bridal section of the store. It measures 1 1/2 yards. This is a very beautiful piece of fabric. It is adorned with clear sequins. The sequins are, however, very difficult to see. I believe that if the sequins were iridescent or maybe even a soft pink, you could see them much better. So first we'll lie down our chargers. These chargers are silver in color and they were purchased from the Dollar Tree. I've also seen these chargers in gold and in black. Now I will add the dinner plates. These are ceramic dinner plates. They were purchased from the Dollar Tree. Right now they're $1.25. They came in this shade of blue, a deeper blue, and then a teal blue or aquamarine shade. They also had a lime green shade. Keeping with my same pop of color, which is this blue, I added my salad plates. They were also purchased at the Dollar Tree. Next, I'll add my water or soft drink glasses. These glasses are about 24 ounces. They are thick and durable. I purchased these glasses at least 25 years ago from a Walmart, and I believe I paid like $1, maybe 25 or 30 cents for each glass, and I just love them. I had 8. I believe I have 7 left. So that's not bad in 25 years. As you've already noticed, I've used blue for my pop of color, but there's 2 different types of blue. There's a reason why. Next up, I have my silverware and my napkin and napkin ring. These napkin rings are absolutely gorgeous. I just kept it very simple on the napkin, just traditional white, since this is an all-white affair. But look at the jewels encrusted in this napkin ring. I have both pearls and rhinestones. And Penny and Anna are like fine, precious jewels. This is the reason why I use 2 different blues for my pop of color. My floral arrangement here, the centerpiece, has various shades of blue. Thanks to Miss Anna from the Grace Life DIY, I learned how to make this centerpiece. Thanks to Anna's instruction, I was able to pull off making this centerpiece all by myself. Thank you, Anna, for your instructions. Penny has taught me how to bargain shop and look for things that you want to add to your tablescapes without going over budget. I appreciate her for that. The dusk to dawn lighting has come on and it makes a wonderful backdrop. It's time for us to have a slice of cake in honor of both Penny and Anna. To both of you ladies, have a blessed happy birthday. I love you both.